Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you an idea that I've been looking at here in the gold market. Now, so often when we look at a chart, I think traders are always inclined to pick a direction, which is to say, do you think this is going up or do you think this is going down? But as options traders, we have the unique ability to structure ideas and to work charts that maybe are sideways. And I think bringing this idea to you in precious metals, namely gold, is interesting in this moment. One, because you've seen a really significant surge higher. You know, we could step back and look at the analysis that I have brought you in previous videos in these series as to the squeezes on the weekly and the 3-day time frame and how their potential for directional movement has really come through. So there is that potential for trend continuation. But when I look at the move that has unfolded since pretty much the end of January, and I think about the surge directly into the psychological value of 2000, then I think, is there a chance that maybe we would be at these same prices before the Fed meeting on Wednesday? Right? So if you get this trade on Friday, you've got 2, maybe 3 days to hold it. You could potentially hold it through it, depending. But it's the idea that before Powell takes the stage and addresses everything, that maybe we have gold revisiting 2000. You know, it doesn't speak to what happens on Monday or Tuesday. They could be big days in either direction. But as the dust of that move settles, could you be back around 2000? Take this trade idea off around midday on Wednesday and pocket a couple dollars of decay along the way. So that is what I am working to do through the Iron Fly. As of Thursday's close, the spread was trading for 25.20. And the thing that is nice about these is that even if I am 100% wrong, I have defined risk. So this is being done through the options on futures, which you have to have approval from through your brokerage. But setting it up in this way, I can set my risk to being just under $500 with the chance of making, you know, again, I'm only going to try to take a couple of dollars out of this. But if I could buy the spread back under 20, well, then that would be a solid trade. So I think that's something that you can take with you into Friday. You know, this is what it'll look like in your risk profile graph. And then ideally you can pocket that before the announcements are made. And we'll see if gold can end up somewhere around this psychological value as we get closer into the first witching expiration of the year. So I hope that provides some helpful strategies to your trading going into next week. You guys trade well, and we'll see you at the next free video.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me